Hey, Glow family! I'm Sharon, and welcome back to Glow and Grow. Today we're diving into the world of DIY beauty with a super easy recipe for a natural face serum. Forget about harsh chemicals and expensive products. This serum is all about harnessing the power of nature to give your skin the love it deserves. Get ready to pamper yourself with ingredients you can find right in your kitchen. This serum is going to be your new best friend. Trust me, let's get started. For this amazing serum, we'll be using just a handful of natural ingredients, each with its own special way of making your skin glow: rosehip oil. This oil is a superhero for fighting those pesky dark spots and fine lines, thanks to its vitamin C power. Jojoba oil. Mimicking our skin's natural oils, jojoba oil helps balance things out, preventing breakouts and keeping things moisturized. Lavender essential oil. Not just for its calming scent, lavender oil is known to soothe irritation and redness. Vitamin E oil. A powerful antioxidant, vitamin E oil protects your skin from environmental damage and keeps it looking youthful. These ingredients work together in perfect harmony to give you the radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. Ready to mix them up? Let's do it! Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Well, not literally. This recipe is super easy to follow. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a small glass bottle, preferably amber, a dropper, and of course, our star ingredients. Next, measure carefully. Pour 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil into your bottle, followed by 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Now, add 5 drops of lavender essential oil and 5 drops of vitamin E oil to the mix. Close the bottle tightly and shake it well to ensure all the ingredients are perfectly blended. And there you have it! Your very own homemade all-natural face serum is ready to work its magic. See? Easy peasy. Now let's talk about how to use it. Applying your serum, tips and tricks for optimal results. Using your new serum is super simple. Always apply your serum to a clean face. Wash away the day's grime and makeup with a gentle cleanser. Gently massage 2 to 3 drops of serum onto your face and neck using upward circular motions. Avoid pulling or tugging at your skin. For best results, apply your serum before bedtime and let it work its magic while you sleep. Remember, consistency is key. Use your serum every night for best results. Now let's talk about keeping your serum fresh and potent. Storing your serum. Keeping it fresh and effective. To make sure your serum stays potent and lasts longer, follow these simple storage tips. Store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Always keep the bottle tightly sealed to prevent oxidation, which can degrade the quality of the oils. Your homemade serum should last for about 3 to 6 months if stored properly. By following these tips, you can ensure that every drop of your serum is packed with goodness for your skin. Ready to embrace a more natural approach to beauty? Embracing natural beauty. A lifestyle choice. This serum is just the beginning. Embracing natural beauty is about more than just what you put on your skin. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out, getting enough sleep, drinking plenty of water, and managing stress. Remember, true beauty radiates from within. Ready to take the next step on your natural beauty journey? Making your own skincare is empowering and fun. Want more natural beauty tips and tricks? Subscribe, like, share and turn on your notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's embrace our natural beauty together. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.